Good morning, everyone. On behalf of the National Society of Black Engineers, I would like to thank you all for allowing us to present to you today. My name is Victoria Gray. I'm the president of the chapter here at Duke University.
And my name is Jeremy Lee. I'm the treasurer of the chapter for this year.
Okay, to go on to, what is the National Society of Black Engineers? Our organization was founded to help support Black engineering students on their college campuses. Over the years, we've developed and upheld the mission to increase the number of culturally responsible Black engineers who excel academically, succeed professionally, and positively impact the community. Duke NSBE currently encompasses about 30 members. About a third of them are on our executive board, and we not only encompass Black students, but also other diversities as well. And we're not only engineering students, but we do have all the concentrations appropriated in our organization, and we also have training students where we have biologists and computer science majors. This is just a group picture from a Dinner with Deans event that we had about 2 weeks ago, where about a third of our members were in attendance. We like to have interaction with not only the students, but also with the Pratt faculty as well, to see that we are trying to help uphold our students on campus and get to know the deans more. The purpose of the event was to just provide interaction with our prominent faculty in a more casual environment. To recap the 2013-2014 EAC funding that we received last year, your generous donation was about $1,500, and some of the bigger programs that we hosted were sending about 4 members to our national conference that was in Tennessee and our regional conference that was in Charlotte, North Carolina. In addition to that, one of our bigger programs was having a celebration in honor of the 50th anniversary of Black students on campus, where we actually invited one of the first 3 Black engineering graduates of the Pratt community to come have a motivational talk with us and a luncheon where approximately 40 members were in attendance, not only current Pratt students, but also alumni as well. For upcoming projects and activities that we have this year, it's not so much different than we've had in the past. This year, instead of the 50th anniversary of Black students, we'll be having an alumni event for the 75th anniversary of Pratt, which we'll be having next semester. We also are attending our regional conference, which is in Pittsburgh next week, and we will be attending the National Convention, which will be in California, March 2015. In addition to that, we are integrating projects into our organization where we hope to develop LED cube.
So as we mentioned previously, we'll be hosting a Duke NSBE alumni celebration next semester. The purpose of this celebration is just to foster and sustain relationships between past, present, and future NSBE members. For our timeline right now, we're still in the brainstorming stage for this month. Next month, we hope to send out a poll to see who will be able to attend and solidify who our speaker will be. And next semester, we plan on having the event either in February or April of 2015. Also, the Fall Regional Conference is this upcoming weekend. We'll be traveling to Pittsburgh. We've pretty much taken care of everything we need to. We have everyone registered, booked hotel rooms, booked a van to travel. The purpose of this event is to meet with other NSBE chapters from our region, which ranges from South Carolina to Pennsylvania. It's a great networking opportunity. We also get to talk to companies and learn what they have to offer. We'll also be exposed to different leadership opportunities and just get to bounce ideas off of each other. Also, we've had past NSBE members win first place in the research competition at the Fall Regional Conference. The National Convention, which will be in March of 2015, is similar to the Fall Regional Conference, but on a much bigger scale. We'll get to interact with NSBE chapters from all over the nation. And right now, our timeline for this event is just registering members right now, and then next semester we'll be booking our hotel rooms, booking our plane tickets, and this event will probably be our largest expense for this year. As mentioned before, we have the LED cube, which is kind of adding to what NSBE normally does. Normally we have our academic and professional development, and this is more of a hands-on project that we plan on adding to the NSBE agenda. The LED cube will consist of a 3D LED array, and it will basically use a Kinect camera to represent whatever it sees in the LED array. We have several purposes for it, and it was just an idea that was brought up by one of our executive board members just this year, so we're still in the developmental stages of implementing this idea. The LED cube, the total cost is going to be about $450 for the cube, and we expect that once we get it, it'll take about 6 weeks to build, and we'll be working with our executive board member who proposed this idea hand in hand so we can get it up and running as soon as possible. Our total requested funding, as you can see on the spreadsheet, will be $4,500. Our major expenses will be the Fall Regional Conference, the Duke NSBE Alumni Celebration, the National Convention, and the LED Cube. The funding we received for this year from ESG, we've received $600 for our SOFC funding. We received $3,341 for the 2014-2015 school year, and our Pratt Student Affairs account, we've received $2,729 for this school.
Just to expand on the future of NSBE, again, we are increasing in numbers. Last year we had about 20 active members. This year we have approximately 30 members. And as the years go by, we just see that number increasing more and more. With our increasing numbers, we want to give everybody the opportunity to be able to go to these regional and national conventions, because again, we have members that are able to get internships on the spot. One of our members last year, he had an internship, paid internship over the summer where everything was set up to apartment housing, and it was just a great experience with him. I believe he worked for Eden. Again, also, we are expanding visibility on campus. On the regional and national level within NSBE, we are recognized because for the past 2 years in a row, we've had members win first place in the regional competition. One of our former members is actually on this council today. And so we just want to help uphold our mission and help support NSBE, and not only be able to be recognized within NSBE, but also on Duke's campus, because we do host a lot of events, but because our numbers are so small and the organization seems so focused, it's kind of hard to reach out to more people. Again, the Black engineering part kind of defers other people away, but we are an all-inclusive organization, and we want to allow other people to realize that. With that, we hope to have more collaborations with other undergraduate organizations. We do host events with SWE and SHIP, and we also hope to partner with other organizations on campus. In addition, we want to help bring in more alumni into our development and have mentoring sessions with people. We've interacted with professional NSBE members and hat mixers. And so again, we just hope to expand NSBE and help people realize that it's for everybody. It helps everybody. Again, our mission can be like yours. Again, everybody wants to support engineering students excelling academically, succeeding professionally, and positively impacting the community. And that's what we stand for. And that's the conclusion of our presentation. Any questions?
I was just curious, how many do you have? Some folks lined up to do paper to participate in the academic competitions at the conferences this year?
Unfortunately, no. We do. Most of our seniors and juniors were involved in research, but this year a lot of them didn't have research fully together. We do support our NSBE Junior chapter, which is at North Carolina School of Science and Math, and we did help interact with them and help prepare them for the competition. So right now we're supporting them in their academic competitions, but unfortunately for this year we don't have anybody for regional conference, but we are hoping to have Duke students at the national convention working on the research competition.
Gotcha. And that's the one in the spring?
Yes.
Okay, great.
All right, thanks very much.
Thank you.